In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export objects from Blender to a wavefront OBJ file. This process is essential for anyone looking to transfer their 3D models into different software or share them with others while maintaining the quality and details of your work. First things first, you'll want to start by selecting the object or objects in your Blender scene that you want to export. This is crucial because only the selected items will be included in the export, allowing you to focus on specific elements of your project without unnecessary data cluttering your export file. If you're new to Blender or require a reminder, simply right-click on the objects to highlight them in orange, indicating your selection. Once you have your objects of interest selected, it's time to head over to the main menu. You'll find it at the top of the Blender interface. Click on File, then navigate to Export, and select wavefront.obj. This is where the magic happens as we transform your Blender scene into a versatile OBJ file that can be used across various platforms. In the export window that pops up, you'll notice several settings on the right side. These settings are pivotal in determining how your export will be structured, so let's go through them to ensure everything is set correctly. First, make sure to check the box labeled Selection Only. This ensures that only the objects you've taken the time to select will be exported, minimizing any unnecessary data and keeping your file neatly organized. Next, look for the Write Materials option. Checking this box is vital as it ensures that the materials applied to your objects are also exported. This includes colors, textures, and any other material properties, enabling a seamless transfer of your project's aesthetic value. The setting for path mode should be set to Copy. This step is particularly important because it cleverly organizes all necessary texture files into a subfolder within your chosen export location. What does this mean for you? Well, it creates a separate .mtl file which references the textures and ensures that all material data comes along with the .obj file. This step ties everything together, so when your model is imported elsewhere, it looks just as you intended. Now that your settings are correctly in place, it's time to choose a specific location on your computer for your newly exported files. Enter your desired file name, ensuring it's easily recognizable for future use. When you're satisfied, click the Export OBJ button to finalize the process. Congratulations! By following these steps, you'll have 3 new files in your chosen directory. The OBJ file containing your object's geometry, the .mtl file with all the material data, and the texture image files. Together, these will allow you to present your work beautifully, no matter where you decide to import it. Thank you for watching, and happy exporting!